Good morning, welcome back. Doing something special today, going out fishing on the new boat. There she is. And we're off, heading out. Come on here. Brittany's on, what's she got?
He's on.
Fish on. Everything. I love it when a plan comes together. This is what we come out for. Big Spanish mackerel, probably a bit over a metre. GoPro wouldn't see him, but there's a fish over there. Good morning, welcome back.
Morning.
Doing something special today, going out fishing on the new boat. There she is. Just picked it up on, when did we get it? Thursday. Thursday of. We went out yesterday and caught a few tuna. Brittany got a nanagai, but I don't think I filmed it. But we'll roll on.
Two nanagais.
Two nanagais and a cod, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I think we filmed the tuna, but that's it. So we'll roll on them clips and we'll see you out there. Brittany's on. What she got? Little cod. Little codly. Give me it. You can bail on. Woo! Woo!
He's on.
Little Mack tuna.
Mack tuna.
Yep.
There's a school of long-tailed tuna. Under the roof.
Little Mack tuna.
First fish.
First fish in the new boat, yeah.
Pretty good size. Just.
That's what they're eating, see, that's why it's hard to hook.
Eating it. So the longtails weren't grabbing it, and that would be why.
Here it is.
Good job.
Woo! Alright, we just got that little Mack tuna. There's a heap of longtails in the school, so it's got the two rods out here. Trawling some big lures, see if we can wean out the longtails out of the Mack tuna school. Hopefully we get a longtail for dinner. See how we go. We're on out. Another tuna, I'd say. Oh, is it gone? Oh no. I thought it was gone a second. We just trawled straight through the school and Brittany's rod went off. Hopefully it's a longtail. Or a mackerel. I reckon we are more likely to be in a longtail. Maybe it's not very just pumping.
I'm sure.
He's right out there. Yeah, this could be a long fight. I'll turn his back on when he's closer.
Just another Mack tuna. No good. Hopefully he shakes himself off.
Fuck. There's heaps of them out there though. Look at them all over there. GoPro wouldn't see him, but there's a fish over there. We're heading back in. Not a real successful day. We didn't catch too much. Not enough for a video, so we're going to come out again tomorrow. Brittany reckons she's going to come out. We'll see how she goes.
I'll come.
She's coming, she reckons.
I'm coming.
She's coming, yeah. We're going to go somewhere different tomorrow. Hopefully, I've heard there's a lot of mackerel out there, so we'll be trawling around big lures, trying to get a big Spanish mackerel. So we'll see you then. Let's go wash this boat, eh? we're off, heading out. We got a fair run in front of us, I think, probably about an hour and a half. Probably about an hour and a half, maybe a bit more, I don't know. Where we're going, there's meant to be heaps of mackerel, so the target today is a mackerel over a metre. I'm going to get Brittany onto a big Mackie and see how she goes. She struggled yesterday with a tuna, sore arms, so...
I'm sure.
Could be a bit of a struggle today because they fight harder. But we'll see how we go. We'll shoot out there and turn his on when we get to where we're going.
He's on.
Fish on. Could be the mackerel we're after.
I need to
Could be a tuna.
I need to do like 50 things at once.
Right. No, just one.
What is it?
It's a mackerel.
It's a mackerel.
It's Spanish.
Oh!
That's too big for the net. That's exactly what we're after. There's a little gaff in there.
This thing?
That's him.
Oh, he did it.
Got him.
Bring it up, babe.
Alright, move that net. Right, get careful with your feet. Yes! Careful.
I'm careful. You be careful.
Woo! So after.
Be careful.
Holy fuck, it's going good.
He did it.
Ooh.
You be careful.
Okay,
He keeps telling me he's worried about me and stuff.
Perfect. Alright, we're going to move out there and then we'll get some. We'll love it when the plan comes together. This is what we come out for. Big Spanish mackerel. Probably a bit over a metre.
Kane's proper first fish. Oh.
Tell you how big it is. Is that on 0?
Yeah.
He's over a metre. He's a metre to the fork of the tail, so metre 15 or something to the end. That's him there. Yee-hoo! Big Mackie! Beautiful. A little bit chaotic with the filming and stuff there, but we got one. We got a Mackie. We're about to trawl over where that one just come from, so we might be on here. Got the 2 rods out again. Brittany's up this time. Maybe, she reckons. Yeah, you beauty, eh? That's what we come out here for. He's in the kill bag.
I'm just worried about it biting my fingers off.
Yeah, she doesn't like the sharp teeth. Just fair enough, because they're pretty hectic. We're just going to do a couple trawls now up and back, and you're only allowed 2 per boat here, so if we get 2, sweet, we'll just start targeting reef fish. But we're pretty happy with just 1 anyway, but got to try bag out. Yeah, hopefully we get another one. We'll turn his back on if anything cool happens. I'm accidentally filming, so we better catch something. Nothing. See if I can't get one. Nothing. I'm on here. On the bottom. What is it? It's a little baby Mackie.
Oh, is that the one that was chasing mine?
Nah, yours is heaps bigger than that. A little spotty Mack. I'm gonna deal with him. Little fella. Oop, there he goes. Off he goes. Alrighty, well the wind's meant to be blowing up in the next hour or so, so we're gonna get out of here. Semi-successful day. I got that one big mackerel, a couple little smaller ones. Brittany got a little cod. There was heaps of boats here this morning. They're all gone, so yeah, it must be a bit quieter around here. But we're gonna head back. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that little video. There'll be a lot more fishing side of things coming up now that we got a boat. Yeah, we're gonna head back. Hopefully it's not too rough for us. Hopefully we beat the wind. We'll see you next time. Catch you later.
Bye.